I decided to start working on the picture frame that goes into the opening in the bed. What I did is just a frame that goes slightly inwards because there has to be a canvas on top of it. So now I'll put these final two together. They are glued together now, but these corners are very weak. So I will enforce them with a we call it miter inset, whatever you want to call it, that will make that corner a little bit stronger. Now I'll turn up the blade, make a curve in the corner, and I place a splice in there. One at about 2 inches high. Pretty good. Now we have to put a splice in here and glue it up. Now just let it dry at least for an hour or so, then I can cut it off, sand it, you won't see a thing, and it's a good connection. Okay, that should be it. Okie doke, let's see. Been working on my picture frame, and that should go right in here, and that looks pretty good. Left about ½ inch around the frame. You have the dark background as a contrast. So now it's the canvas. I just do it this way. Next thing I'll do is put some canvas on top. It's a Utrecht canvas, a cotton canvas that I have. It's not entirely stretched, but that's fine, because the gesso that's going over it will stretch it out. Then the next step in my canvas is to apply some gesso. It's just a sort of base coat, and it also stretches the canvas a little bit, so it's a little bit stiffer. Okay, let's fit the molding. Let's see. That looks good. So I had some problems with the fill dish because water was able to get out in certain circumstances. So my next try is with the deck fill, which is a marine thing, which is sealed. So first thing what I have to do is remove most of that stuff. Next step is cover the sidewall of the closet with Formica. So another piece of Formica.
Hi guys, this is Joey and we're building a one-of-a-kind RV. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe. Or better yet, leave a comment. Thanks guys. You've done a good job.